Warning: please read the warnings we make in the More Information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein. 3 tricks that will save your life. Everyone knows that you have to do 2 hours of digestion before getting into the pool, that the smoke is going up in the fires, and that it is better not to sunbathe at certain hours of the afternoon. However, there are situations for which we do not have such a simple answer. 1. Your brain cannot assume walking and using the mobile at the same time. All the people who go down the street talking about WhatsApp or their ex on Instagram are putting their life at serious risk. And all because of our brain's lack of ability to walk and use the cell phone at the same time. When we use the mobile, we abstract ourselves and suffer what is known as blindness from lack of attention. Or what is the saying? Human beings, when we pay attention to something, we may not perceive unexpected situations. So the next time you cross the zebra crossing, look up from the screen if you do not want to get hit by that car that comes at full speed down the other street. 2. What you should not do when your plane makes an emergency landing in the water. The possibility of crashing an airplane is one among 2.4 million flights. Tiny, almost impossible. But the planes are falling and, from time to time, stories of more or less serious accidents appear in the news. If at any point in your life you have to face a limit situation on a flight and your plane makes an emergency landing in the water, do not inflate the life jacket immediately. Although the temptation to wear that yellow vest is very strong, do not do it. The water will enter the cabin and no one likes to be a Michelle doll struggling to get to the exit. Head for a swim or walk to the doors and then open the life jacket. 3. If you have stabbed yourself with some sharp object, do nothing. You're so quiet at home, or partying, and suddenly you have a Swiss knife nailed between 2 ribs. Well, do not let yourself be carried away by despair and do not draw into the wound. If you try to remove the knife only, you will increase blood loss. Instead, try to cover the wound with a towel or a clean cloth. And call a doctor, by God. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.